Step into a better way to sell and share crochet, knitting, macrame patterns, and anything else that is a step-by-step process. It's time to move beyond working with PDFs, highlighters, and endless straining to see the pattern. Your makers deserve a smoother, clearer, more intuitive way to follow your designs, and you deserve a tool that makes creating that experience effortless. The Make It generator transforms your existing patterns into a modern, interactive format with almost no extra work on your part. Patterns look good on phones, tablets, and your computer. Plus, your users still have the option to print a PDF if they desire. What the designer gets is a generator that does all the heavy lifting. Just copy and paste your text from any old PDF or document into the generator boxes, or start fresh and write your pattern directly in the program. Your images automatically size themselves, your steps stay beautifully organized, and the entire pattern becomes something your customers can actually use with ease. What makes it different? Your finished pattern becomes a step-by-step interactive experience where makers can work through one step at a time without losing their place. Check off completed steps as they go. Jump back to the full list whenever they want. Move forward only when they're ready. Enjoy a clean, distraction-free layout designed for real-world crafting. And the best part? No internet is required. The generator outputs a simple HTML file that your customers download once. After unzipping, it opens instantly with a single click on any device, phone, tablet, laptop, you name it. Why makers love it? This format feels natural, modern, and incredibly user-friendly. It mirrors how crocheters actually work. One step at a time, hands busy, brain focused, no reams of paper required. Want to learn more? You can find full details, examples, and updates at www.crochetmethat.com, your home for free patterns, tutorials, and now a whole new way to experience crochet instructions. Look for the Make It button. You can explore the full details, a sample pattern, and the latest updates at www.crochetmethat.com, your go-to source for free patterns, tutorials, and an innovative way to experience crochet instructions. You can also find the link in my bio. Just click the Make It link on the home screen, then click the hanging bird link to see the pattern as how a user would. Thanks for watching, Sharon.